What's the meaning of coyote? Coyote. Coyote.
Coyote. Coyote. A coyote is a canid native to North America. It is smaller than its close relative, the gray wolf, and slightly smaller than the closely related eastern wolf and red wolf. It fills much of the same ecological niche as the golden jackal does in Eurasia, though it is larger and more predatory, and is sometimes called the American jackal by zoologists. The coyote is an important part of Native American folklore, often depicted as a trickster figure. It is also known for its distinctive howl, which can be heard over long distances.